Hi Sanchita, am I audible to you? So we have Sanchita Puri today. She has worked for a movie Guinea Veg Sunny. And am I audible to you, Sanchita?
There is a little bit of disturbance.
Now is it
Now,
fine?
can you hear me clearly?
I can hear you loud and
Can
clear.
you
Is
hear
it
me
fine? Like, am
clearly?
I audible to you? Yeah, I can hear you clearly.
Yeah, yeah, now I
So
can.
hi
How are
Sanchita
you?
and welcome in I'm good. And welcome in Let's Connect with Prerna. So welcome everyone. Today we have Sanchita Puri here. एंड रिसेंटली अभी ये एक मूवी में दिखी थी गिनी वेज सनी में एंड उसके अलावा कई सारी वेब सीरीज भी कर चुकी हैं जिसमें से एक है स्कैम 1992. सो वंस अगेन वेलकम संचिता.
Hi. Hello. Namaste, everyone.
सो शुड वी स्टार्ट विद आवर क्वेश्चंस?
Yeah,
ओके. संचिता, हाउ वुड यू रेट योरसेल्फ एज अ स्टूडेंट इन योर स्कूल डेज?
I can still have a little bit of disturbance. It's actually loading from your end.
इज इट बट
Can
हियर?
can I just rejoin again? Now it's
ओके.
getting better.
हाँ, it's fine. I mean, because मेरे end पे it is okay. I can listen to you
Let
loud
me
and clear.
rejoin again, please.
All right, I'll send you the request again then. Hello everyone. I am inviting Sanchita again. Is it fine now, Sanchita?
Yeah, now it's better.
All right.
Yeah,
So
I think there was a
welcome.
from my end. I'm really sorry about that. I think
It's
there was a
okay.
yeah.
It's okay. Is am I
Having
audible to you now?
yeah,
It's okay.
really now.
All right. So welcome once again, everyone. Today we have Sanchita Puri here. She's an actor and a yogapreneur. And as I told Abhi recently, she has worked for a movie called Guinea Veg Sunny.
Yeah, that
So
was last year. That got released last year. Because of COVID, we were supposed to release it in theaters in the month of July last year, but because of the COVID, it got postponed and then it got released on Netflix. But then, yeah, it was there.
So, Sanchita, my first question to you is, how would you rate yourself as a student? जब
So, as a
अगर
student, I remember I was always an all-rounder and I was very good with theater in the school. Like I was very much curious about sports. I wanted to be there for all the extracurricular activities. Like I was a good athlete, so I used to be on the playgrounds. I used to be in the hall where auditorium where we used to perform theater, and I used to be the one like, ma'am, I need the script. I'll be doing the lead part. I need it. And she used to give me 2 days or 3 days to remember all of the script, and I used to try my best. So I would rate myself as a student as an all-rounder, because then I was not like always focused, to be honest, just in my academic part, but I always wanted to be in sports, and as I said, in every extracurricular activity I was the one who wanted to participate. I was like, okay, I'll be, if nobody is doing, and like class when nobody is raising the hand, I'm the one, I will do it. And ma'am used to be like, okay, we know you would always want to do it. कोई और है इसके अलावा? And then it used to come to me. अच्छा इसको दे देते हैं, because she would always want to do it.
so, all
So
right,
it
so
was,
theater and co-curricular activities were the things which have already always
yeah,
attracted you.
I loved doing it. I just wanted to try everything. I wanted to try music. I wanted to try to dance. Everything in school. What all extracurricular activities there were, I wanted to be the part of it.
Okay. Sanchita, please share your journey from being a student to being an actress and then being a yogapreneur.
Okay, to start with, I remember in school I was very much inclined towards doing a lot of theatre, but then there was not much scope here in Kanpur, my hometown. So then for that, and my family was not that supportive at that point of time, honestly speaking, with the theatre and the performing arts. They always wanted me to do MBA, or they wanted me to do more of, as all Indian parents, या तो डॉक्टर बन जाओ या तो कुछ और मतलब पढ़ाई वाला होना चाहिए. They never supported me much with that. But then with time, when I realized, no, that is my passion. Like in my college days, I used to be the part of events. I used to again be in the all the extracurricular activities. But then also I was not much in theater during my college, and but right after that, when I realized I wanted to do it, I was doing this corporate job. I went to Bombay, and there I realized, no, that's the thing I wanted to do. I was doing a part-time course in acting then, because to start with, because everything was new and fresh for me, I took kind of a break for a long time. It was like 7 8
Right.
years. Then after my 12th, I started, I completed my master's, and then I took up a job. I went to Bombay, and there was the time I realized, no, this is the thing for me. I did with that part-time acting course. I realized, okay, I think I would want to quit my job, and this is going to be my passion, which I realized pretty late. Which I used to think, why now? Why now? It took me months to decide on that, and my parents are like, "Are you sure you want to quit your corporate job? Like you've been paid good salary here, and then after
Right.
quitting and then switching to the full time acting as a profession, I said, okay, I need to train myself, I need to learn more. So I was very dedicated. I joined a few acting schools. I was the part of those acting schools in terms of performing with them in theater. And with that, that's how I again rediscovered myself, I would say. And then yeah, I decided that I'm going to stick to this. During that journey of being an actor, I was kind of, there were different emotions I faced, and there was kind of anxiety, there was always a nervousness, there was a lot of thoughts going on every day in my head. I was also demotivated because there's a lot of competition. If you talk about acting as
True.
a career, there is a lot of competition. So then I was like, कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा इसका. If I really want to do this and I want to achieve something out of it. That was the time when I decided. I was always inclined towards yoga. I used to do very basic practice of yoga, like keh lo pranayam hua, and very very basic asanas at home. That is when I used to feel a lot of anxiety and nervousness about situations, about things and happening in life. So I used to practice that. And while doing my acting thing, I realized, okay, to calm myself down, to have that peace of mind, it is important for me to have yoga practices part of
True.
my lifestyle.
Yeah.
So that was the time when I started, exploring myself in terms of yoga and exploring myself as an actor. So in this journey of, as you asked, as an actor and becoming an yogapreneur, so both started with me hand in hand, and it was, I would say, it was a call of universe. Nothing was told to me. Nobody around me, in fact, was so inclined towards yoga or towards acting. Like my family, nobody has a background of acting or a background of yoga or anything of that sorts, and I didn't had any mentor with me, honestly. And I just got drawn towards these things, and this acting thing and the yoga thing both started with me hand in hand. And I was like, half day I was working on my acting skill, half day was the time when I was working on my yoga skill. So both started with me almost like 4 years back, and everything was going hand in hand on its own. So that was like my journey so far, being into acting and being into a yogapreneur.
Sanchita, you have been into web series as well, like Barish, Final Call, or मैंने बताया The Scam 1992. I mean, we all would like to know your experience.
Oh, it was a lovely experience. I had these amazing directors. Hansal Mehta ji was there. So let me tell the viewers. I mean, they must have seen me in few scenes in Scam, and with Barish, I was having a proper role of Arzu. This was a good role for all the seasons. It was there in all the episodes, I would say. In the whole season it was there. And then when I talk about the final call, they must have seen me in few scenes again there. So the experience was really great. Every set has a different teaching for you, and going on set, shooting with different people and directors, they have different mindsets, different individuals altogether you're dealing with. So
Right.
always I upon you, how you take it, how you create the atmosphere around you. But the directors were lovely. I mean, the experience was great because I
Right.
learned a lot in person with these people. So always, and you said it's a new experience with new people. It becomes your family, and you always have fun with it. So
Right.
these two lines are my passions, and I wherever I go, whatever I do, I just have fun with it.
Right.
So uh,
राइट सो संचिता, जैसे आपने अपनी वेब सीरीज का एक्सपीरियंस बताया, रिसेंटली यू हैव वर्क विद लाइक योर को जो आपके साथ काम कर रहे थे लीड उसपे, तो गिनी वेब सनी का एक्सपीरियंस आपका किस तरीके का था? ऑल्सो यू नो योर बर्थ प्लेस, लाइक यू बिलोंग टू कानपुर, सो आई समहाउ फील दैट यू नो ठीक है, your passion was into acting and you wanted to go to Mumbai and do something like which you are passionate about. So what would you suggest to all the girls, or maybe, you know, all whosoever is watching us right now, that, you know, at times it needs a lot of motivation and that confidence. So wo kahan se aaya to switch from corporate and then, you know, going all the way to Bombay, learning skills and, you know, building that name, building that profile is also very, very important.
yeah. So let's take these two questions as a separate one. Number one is how was my experience? So always working with such experienced actors, again I said it's a very big learning. You observe them, you see them perform, and always anyone who is senior in you in your corporates or in your school, that is how you're inspired from them, and
Right,
you
right,
always want learn and see, okay, इन्होंने ये कैसे किया? That is always the question in the head. Oh, how did they reach there? What is that thing which they did, which I should follow, and that's how I can be there. You know, I can make my mark there. So with my experience, in terms of working with these people was amazing. I learned a lot. I was observing a lot, and we actually shot for this in 2019, and this was like a few months shoot. Went to different locations, so it was like we always staying together. So it was kind of a family again. So it was very positive vibe. The director was very nice. Puneet Khanna sir, he was really good. It was his debut as well. So we all had a very good experience. I learned a lot from these inspirational people I worked with, Vikrant
right,
Massey, Gautam, and there were all the other cast was a pretty experienced cast. For me, it was my first break in Bollywood movie, but for them, they had already done a lot of stuff. So I used to talk to them. I used to make sure the time I'm given with these people, I'm around these people, I utilize it to the best. So I
true,
used to sit with them, have conversations, talk about my doubts. Okay, ab kya hona chahiye? Like, in fact, while performing, when you go and see your playback, when you see what did you perform, how did you perform, I used to ask their feedbacks. Like, अच्छा इसमें इसमें और क्या कर सकती थी, इसमें और क्या हो सकता था. So I used to ask
hmm.
them, and they used to be like, oh, okay, we'll tell you later. And I used to be always very curious कि आपको कैसा लगा. So I used to ask a lot of questions with people and used to discuss about the performances. Now, coming to the part of, as you said, how did I, from this small town, I went there, and so I
True.
felt there was a very big support I had from my family. Initially, they were not supportive, like they were not happy with my decision. I would not say they were not supportive, but they were not pretty happy with my decision. They said, okay, if you want to try it for some time, and they thought कि नहीं होगा. Honestly, always your mind indicates you towards the negative part first rather than the positive.
Right, right,
ठीक है, शौक है, इसका passion है, she wants to try it, let her try for a few months. And then when I was trying, I was very dedicated, I was very focused with it. So I used to go for auditions, I used to meet people, I tried that for almost a year. And then things started rolling in terms of getting projects. I used to do few ads, I used to send them
yeah,
these ads,
right,
get any response from my parents when they used to see my ads. They
right.
were like, okay, just an ad, to kya hua? But then the moment when I told them that I've signed a film and I'm doing this film, that was the time when my parents realized, okay, she has some talent. That means if she's
Yeah.
cracked film, means she has some talent. And then
Yeah.
I told, okay, this is the cast which I am going to work with. So they were very happy to know all those things. And then that was the time when they became actually more supportive. So
Right.
initially I didn't had that moral support from them, but now is the time when they support me with everything, because once they see you perform, once they see you on the screen, on that big screen, though it was not a theater
Right.
release, couldn't be, but then on the TV screen when they see you, they understand that what is your
Yeah.
value, what is your worth.
Yeah.
So yeah, so my parents played a big role during this journey,
Right.
and coming from the small town, trying my level best to do it. I again feel yoga and my family, these two are the things which really played a very big role, because
बिल्कुल.
to get that motivation every day, to get that
True. Very true. Yeah.
peace, yeah, to get that mental peace, to not get distracted from environment around you, which is usually people just get, very much carried away with things around them. So I was pretty focused, and all those things, like making sure that I want to perform at my best, all those things came in with the discipline of yoga. The
Right.
discipline of yoga practice, which I used to follow every day, gave me a lot of strength. It actually transformed me as a person, I would say. It made
Right.
me so focused, I could concentrate better, I could have clarity. So there was, like, I was well connected to myself. So the moment I was well connected to myself, everything was happening its own way. Like, I didn't have to push things or, try hard. It was just flowing. Things were happening.
राइट आई थिंक एक चीज बहुत ही अच्छी आपने यहाँ बोली संचिता दैट आई फील that with passion consistency is also very important, like you don't have to give up, you have to learn from your failures, and you have to try and try, as you said that initially your parents were not supportive, but see you made that thing happen, and gradually
Yeah.
everything in and everything around you started
Yeah.
supporting. So
Yeah, you need to have belief in yourself, and you need to be patient enough to see the
right.
result. It will not
Right.
happen like it happened very quickly. Everything needs
बिल्कुल
its
हो
everything
जाता
needs space. So it took me a while, but then yeah, things happened for me. And yeah, they started flowing in the way I wanted them to. So I was pretty happy and satisfied.
है. संचिता एक बड़ा ही इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट डू यू फील दैट अगर मैं बात करूं फीमेल्स की फिनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट, मतलब हाउ डू यू सी दिस
Hmm.
financial independence of a female, like how important it is?
See,
You've been so, yeah.
we, as females in India, are mostly conditioned that आप शादी कर लें, आप अच्छे से स्कूल में पढ़ें या अच्छे से कॉलेज में पढ़ें, जॉब करें, and then you get married in a good family, is always the idea of Indian parents, which somehow get imposed on girls. Us, it's most of the time it's that. But I think again, it's an individual choice. That is the perception which I feel, I might be wrong, but I think that is the perception, especially in small towns. That's the perception everybody has, that if she goes out and if she studies out, if she is doing something in a different city, oh my God, she has a lot of exposure. So some people look up to you also for that, and some people, like in society, there's always a positive and negative. So some
Right.
people look up to you in a different way. But it is all about you, that what you want for yourself. Most of the times, like
बिल्कुल.
most of your life, you are you have some people around you, and your life is, taken a ride by them. Like they make
Right.
decisions, your parents make
Right.
decisions, your
Right.
relatives make, you see them, and their decision are imposed on you also. So most of
Right.
the time it happens, like your career decisions, ye nahi, ye kar lo, ye nahi. So if you are that indecisive, I think it's the best to connect to yourself and know your correct passion. Maybe it might take time. I would not say that, after 12th I wanted to do, after my 12th standard I really wanted to do fashion designing. I was so much inclined towards fashion designing, but then my parents didn't support me for that. They didn't wanted me to pursue that. They wanted me to pursue different other courses. But eventually with time, things happen in such a way that I automatically landed up there. So if
बिल्कुल.
you're really towards, if you are that creative person, or you are into any career you want to be in, and initially you're not listening to yourself but listening to other people, you would at the end of the day want to do what connects with you. this
Right.
this will automatically come to you, it will automatically take you there. So
Right.
I feel, yeah, so I feel you should always get driven with your passion, figure out what you want to do. If you're not having clarity, take some time on that, give yourself a break, figure it out, breathe, and then go for it. Also,
बिल्कुल.
if you are
बिल्कुल.
confused or if you want to try different stuff, I would say try everything you want to try, and then you will know that you, okay, this is the right thing, which is.
बिल्कुल. बिल्कुल. Right.
So, yeah, this is a phase, I mean, that comes in everyone's life. Everyone goes through this.
True.
So there's nothing to be disappointed with it, but to learn more from it. That's what
Right.
I in my life.
Right. Sanchita, I've been seeing a lot of posts of yours and a lot of video, about yoga and, how yoga has transformed you as an individual. So, I mean, my another question, like next question from you is that, योगा ने आपकी लाइफ में कैसे, जैसे अभी भी कई बार आपने कई आंसर्स में आपने बताया दैट योगा ने कैसे विद इन यू, द ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, inside you, the positivity and then that confidence and motivation. So we would all like to know the role of yoga in your life.
So, yoga is, I think it's again, as I said, it is one of my passions. Acting and
I
yoga
can
has
see
been.
that. I mean, when you said yoga, so
Yeah. The acting in yoga is my passion. So I sometimes, what happens is ki, you are very idle and you don't have anything to do. So honestly speaking, as an actor, since the corona has hit us so badly, so the
true.
acting shoots had stopped. Things were very slow in the industry. Nothing much was happening, honestly, other than
Right.
ads. So what is that thing? If I would have been sitting idle and just watching movies, though I like watching movies because it's a part of my learning, but then I got bored with that as well. So what is that one thing that keeps me busy all the time is yoga. So I am
Yeah.
so I would say when I talk about yoga, it is the inner me which is coming out. It
Bilkul.
is always,
We all can see that.
yeah, yoga gives me that, I would say it is that reality.
Right.
It gives me that real version of myself. It helps
Right.
me to connect to the full potential I am capable of doing. So it is a kind of an inner work
Right.
which is very important for an actor and which is very important as an individual. Even if you're a student,
Bilkul.
it's very important to connect with yourself and to know yourself in the best way. And that can
Bilkul.
only happen when you align your mind, your body, and when all those things are connected and aligned. That is the time when you are at your best version. So
True.
when we talk about yoga, I would just say in one line, it is like, if you want to go to the best version of yourself, you want to know the best version of yourself, yoga is the thing for you. Not just, so also people, let me correct here, people, a lot of people just associate yoga with asanas. They always have this mind, okay, doing that physical workout is asana, but no, everything is, as everyone knows, everything is breath. We talk a lot
Right.
about breathing, if we talk about yoga, if we
Right.
talk about,
Right.
everything is connected to your breath. And if you can connect to your breath, you can achieve anything. You can
Bilkul.
achieve in your life. Nothing is feels impossible to you because you are at the highest form of your energy, and you feel that, okay, this is okay, fine, if that's the trouble, I'll be able to handle it. Your mind is able to handle it, your body is able to handle it. So both of the things goes hand in hand.
Right.
So if you need that transformation, I would say start doing yoga practices. Yoga practices doesn't mean just the physical asanas. It also means having good meditation or
Right.
start guided meditations, and just connect with yourself. Be that self-aware. Know what emotion you're going through. Understand those emotions. So all these things I have learned in my acting school also, and the combination made it much beautiful, I would say, with
Right.
so both hand in hand in balance made me, it changed, it changed
Right.
everything in.
Right. Right. So, I mean, what all you said, I can totally relate also because I've been talking to a lot of people who are, regularly into yoga practices, and they say that, I mean, as you very rightly said, एक ये जो myth आ रहा है कि आसन करना या वो जो difficult postures है उनको करने को
Yeah,
ही योगा कहते हैं, that is not there.
yeah.
Meditation, concentrating on your own breathing practices is very, very important. It calms you down. So,
Hmm.
Sanchita, before we conclude, what's your message to whosoever is watching us right now and, later when they'll see the video of our?
Okay. So, before we conclude everything, I would like to talk a little bit about. So, that I have started this small venture. The name is the Adaptive Yoga, and which is all about getting yourself into the fullest potential and elevating yourself, uplifting yourself. It is not just about asanas, it is about the self awareness, about your breathing work, about your
Right,
body movement. So people, those who face again a lot of anxiety, and basically this is more with people those who are into creative field. It is about for actors, for performers, students, those who face all these issues, feel demotivated. So there's this nice workshop which I have curated, and which will help the performers, the actors, all the creative people to give out in their best of potential, to get come out in their best of potential. And I hope this workshop which I'm doing would be helpful for these for it's kind of going to be a 2 day free workshop for all the people, those who want to join in.
all
So
right,
this free workshop is the idea of helping after the pandemic. So many things have happened,
true,
especially with actors, and also the students are at home. They just don't want to, study much, or they're very demotivated because they feel their year is wasted and they can't
true,
step out. They can't do anything much. Those schools are now opening, but still, it will take a while to get back into the normal
right,
situation,
right, right,
probably by the end of this year. So this workshop is mainly curated for these people, those who really want to know their full potential, connect with themselves, grow emotionally. There will be a lot of methods, there will be a lot of tools and techniques
right.
which will be given to them. And yeah, so I'll be starting with a free workshop soon. I'll be sharing the link in my bio, and those who want to be the part of it or register for it can DM me as well. So let's see, how can I contribute to this in a
Definitely,
how can I contribute beautiful way. And yeah, that's a small initiative which I'm planning to do, and been working on it since few months.
all right.
And my message to everyone would be, times are hard, believe in yourself, do your
Yeah.
best. I'm sorry, I think there was a
So
connection
it's
issue.
all right now. It's fine. Yeah.
Yeah. So I would say that believe in yourself, do your best. Nothing can stop you. These bad times
Right.
are there to make you more get into yourself. Do some swadhyay, which is like self introspection. As a student, you have beautiful years coming in front of you. You have an amazing career which you can plan for yourself, but you
Right.
have to be clear. So in fact, in this workshop, we'll be also talking about how to shift your mindset. So we'll be getting few doctors and few coaches to talk about it. So I hope that is going to help the students and the aspiring actors, the performers, and the creative people. And looking forward for you guys to join in for that.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Sanchita, for coming live with, Let's Connect with
Thank
Prerna
you
and,
so
sharing your thoughts.
much. You're doing a great
Your
job with that beautiful social initiative which you have and invited me here to talk on, and it is so nice.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Sanchita. And thank you everyone who have watched us and, we'll be watching the video later. All right,
Thank you.
Sanchita. Take care.
Oh, bye, Prerna.
Yeah.
Have a great day. Bye
Bye-bye.
bye.
Thank you.